In this video tutorial, I will show you how to submit an article in a Joomla website. In order for you to submit an article to the Silverlog website, you will need the following. 1. You will need to be a registered user at the website or have an existing account with the following sites: Google, Facebook, Yahoo, Windows Live, Blogger, or OpenID. Then, you will need to be an administrator of the site or be an authorized user in order to submit articles to the website. So let's get started. Here, you are looking at the front page of the Silverlog website. To log in, you can either use your OpenID account and use one of the following registered accounts that you may have. Or you can use the standard login panel and use your registered username and password. Once logged in, you should see a link to the right side of the page labeled Submit an Article. Clicking on that link should open up the Joomla editing screen that looks similar to this. Starting from the top, you can enter your article title here. Then you'll have access to the many formatting tools that you may need when editing your article, such as text formatting, font size, font color, or if you want to add images or links, you will have that tool available to you there. Then you can enter the text of your article here, or you can copy and paste from another article and paste it here. Scrolling down, you'll see the publishing parameters and the metadata information, which we will go over when we create our article. So let me show you how easy it is to create an article with Joomla. In this example, I'm just going to copy and paste text and images from another article that's already been created. So here we highlight all the text and images that we want to copy, and then press Ctrl+C. Then we return back to the Joomla editor screen and do a Ctrl+V to paste the contents that we just copied to the editing screen. Next, we'll give the article a title and start formatting our layout by deleting some spaces, formatting our text, using our formatting tool on the toolbar. Like so. The next thing that you might want to do with your article is to add or edit images. If you started out with a blank page, you would usually use the image properties button located at the toolbar and enter your image properties here. However, since we already have the image placeholders in our article, you can simply right click over the image and select the image properties link in the drop down menu. Doing that will bring back that image properties window that we just saw earlier. As you can see, you can specify the URL where you're getting your image from if you wanted to. You can control the size of the image on your article, you can add a border, add spacing between the article text and the image, and you can specify which side the text will be aligned next to the article. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload images to the server from your computer. To do that, all you need to do is click on the Browse Server button located here. And as you do that, it'll bring up the file browser and display all the subdirectories and images contained in the images folder. Now, if you don't see a folder that you can file your images to, feel free to create your own folder by clicking on the Create Folder located at the bottom right corner here. In this case, since we are working on the Silverlog blog, I'm going to use the Endless Mountain folder. And since we are working on articles that we want to publish in April, I'm going to select the 042011 folder. And since we are working on the April 4th article and we don't see a folder for it here, I'm just going to go ahead and create a folder for the images here. So I'm going to call it 04/04/2011. And once it's created, go ahead and select it, and now you can start uploading any images you may use for this article dated April 4th. So to do that, just click on the Browse button here, and a window should show up located on your computer. I'm already in my subfolder for the April 4 article, so I'm just going to go ahead and upload these 4 images. You're going to have to do that one at a time. So select the first one and click on the Send it to the server button. Wait a few seconds and verify that your images were uploaded properly. Then just repeat the process for the remaining images that you want to upload. And now that they're uploaded, you can select the image, the first image that you're using on the article, which was the intra.png file. In here, you need to adjust the size. I'm going to go ahead and add a border. And then, if you want your visitors to be able to see a larger or see the original sized image, you will need to provide a link, a direct link to the image. And you can do that by clicking on the Link tab and clicking Browser. Go ahead and navigate to the Images directory and find the image that you just uploaded for the intraday chart. Now you've just created the link, a direct link to that image on the server. Again, this will allow your visitors to view the image in its original size and format when they click on the thumbnail image placed in your article. Just need to repeat the same process for any other images that you would like to include with your article. After you've completed formatting your text and editing your images, take a look at the overall layout of the page. And if you feel your article is too long, you may consider adding a page break or a read more link in the middle of your article. By adding a read more link, the top half of your article will be displayed on the front page, and should your visitor want to read more, all they need to do is click on the read more link and they will see the entire article on one full page. To do that, simply locate your cursor on the page where you'd like to break up the layout so that only half of your article will be displayed on the front page. Once you left click on the location that you want your read more link to appear, go ahead and click on the more link located at the bottom of the editing screen, like this. After clicking on that, a horizontal line will appear on the editing screen. It will not appear on the actual article, but this line is used to show you where the top half of the article will be shown on the front page. Next, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube videos to your article. To do that, simply locate your cursor where you want the YouTube video to appear. You may want to center align it. And once you've done that, go ahead and go to the YouTube website and copy the link to the YouTube video that you want to display on your article by copying the link in your address window. Return to the editing screen and simply paste, do a Ctrl V to embed the link to your article. A Joomla plugin will automatically do the rest. Once you are satisfied with the layout of your article, the next thing you need to do is to set up the publishing parameters of the article. First, you need to select the section that the article will belong to, then the category, then its published status, and I usually leave it at yes, and if you want it to be shown on the front page, which I usually say yes as well. Here you can enter the original author's name or a pen name, and in the Start Publishing window you can select when you want this article to be published. So you could, if you wanted to, you could set a date in the future, and when that date comes, your article will automatically appear on the front page. Next is the access level. This will determine who will be able to see your article. In this case, we'll just leave it at public so that anybody will see it. And then the last part is adding any metadata description and words that will help search engines like Google find your articles easier. Then when that's all done, scroll back up to the top, and at the right hand corner of the page, click on Save. Now let's just take a look at the finished article by going to the home page of the site. Make sure that all the links work and all the correct images are attached to the thumbnail images, and that the layout looks the way you want it. Should you need to re-edit your article once again, simply locate the My Articles button on the right side of the home page, and when you click on it, it should list all the articles that you have submitted, and all you need to do is select the article and click on the edit icon, and the editing screen will open up again for you to edit your article further. So that's it. That's how you create an article in Joomla. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.